spiritual levels. No dancing with devils, no fellow with rebels. Some digging with shovels, they digging real deep. Some humble, they hearken, they listen, they meet. Some praise the Most High 7 days of the week. Some put in that work and go teach in the streets. Some just come to take up the edge.
It's your brother Mighty Prophet, 144K, back again with another video as usual, man. As I see, I still got the charger on deck. Still got it. Still thinking about, I think I found what was wrong with it, but that's not what the video is. But other than that, we finna get into this video. What I'm about to do, I'm about to install some courtesy lights right here. And right here. Make sure y'all go like, subscribe to this channel, man. Subscribe, smash that like button, man. So this video can post on other people's recommended videos so they like, share, subscribe too. See? Finna get it just like this. I did have this laying flat, but I didn't like it because I can see the wire. So I put it like that. It still looks pretty clean. So, sir. It was pretty simple to install. All you need to do is take off. It's a piece that's supposed to go right here, which is this piece right here. It's only held on by these two fasteners right there. And then when you put it back, you want to make sure you put it back the correct way, because this is connected to your heat for the floor, pretty much, or the air ducts. So you want to make sure this is put right back so it can flow through the right proper way. But other than that, you want to go ahead, splice these two wires. That's all you're dealing with is two wires. Splice these two wires, and make sure you have extra speaker wire or just wire in general. So mine's color coded. Obviously, the solid black will be ground, and the striped one will be positive. So simple. Let's go ahead and put this on. So now I got that on there. Now I know this has connection, so I don't have to. I'm not going to test it. That's the original courtesy light, so that should be facing that way. And then the LED strip, I got this off eBay. I'm gonna put the link in the description, and then I'll probably try to put it in the video. But I got these LED lights. I got 20 of them for $10, or I think it's $10 and some change. But that came out the tax to be like $11. But I got 20 of them, about the good size. I mean, I put them in my wife's car. Yeah, my bad. I installed these in my wife's car. I'm gonna show y'all the end results of that. I've been installed them. I just haven't made a video on it. It was real simple, real easy. Same as this one, real simple, real easy. Let's get back into it, man. It's the adhesive. So it comes with it. This adhesive really isn't strong, but it's really good for metal for some reason. So I'm gonna put this against this. So I'm gonna put this wire against this side. And you really don't have to clean it because these parts really don't get dirty, but you can use your finger, get the dust off, see dust, and go ahead and attach it. So I'm not gonna make my wire exactly, because sometimes it's too tight. You never know, it can yank off. See how tight that is? It can yank off. You need to have some type of bend to it. You don't want to make the wire specifically tight. So do it like that. Cut this part. Simple as that. And you're going to need this wire. And well, at least I'm going to need this wire because I'm gonna run it all the way. I'm gonna run it all the way back to the back side. See, I'm just gonna get my finger and do that. A little dust. Wipe the dust off. I'm gonna go ahead and get this LED set up. See, just want to make sure my wire. Show you all a little something how to hide y'all wires. Just gonna pull this up. Pull that up. What I'm gonna do is pull this up. Run that wire on this side. Make sure it doesn't make a noise. Nope. If you didn't put that, if you didn't put this plastic piece in, push it back in the right way, you'll hear like some type of, you hear a type of scratch noise. Like, let me try. You hear that? I'm not sure if you can hear it. You hear it every time you open the door, but I don't hear it. Even when I go slow on it. Nope, no noise. So let's go ahead and get the extra wire connected for the one in the back. So right here I'm about to use 2 of the same wire. Do not do this, but I'm using 2 of the same wire, so I don't have to use any other, cut any other good wire that I have. Cause I have just a little bit of this here. About to close the door. Let's open it back. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And that's pretty much it. Try to give y'all a little darkness. So these are how the doors look, man. It looks pretty nice to me. Whenever somebody do it that way, put the LEDs against the side wall, whatever you want to call it. I have it. It's really nice. And you got this one under here, kind of going too. So looks pretty nice to me. And right here, you can't see it, but it's like a long. Oh yeah, you can see it. Yeah, you see it. It's pretty nice. You can see like a little reflection, whatever. Other than that, that's it, man. It's pretty simple. Let me know what y'all think of the video, man. Get this light back on. So I also got some lights in the back of here. Some other courtesy lights, you see. I got the courtesy lights, the blue lights. I always had that light. If I never known, I always had the lights when I first got this car. It used to be one of my lights that I had in the inside. It's floor mat lights, whatever you want to call them. I got these lights. I'm sticking on the bottom of here. Courtesy lights, and I got the other side, courtesy lights, so you can see it. Pretty good, pretty decent. That's courtesy lights. The same as with the courtesy lights in the inside, the inside of the car. You pull this back. It takes about a second to pull it back. This is actually the easiest one that I did. Same thing in the front. A black wire for ground, and you have a purple wire for positive. So if the wire is black, you know it's ground. If it's another color than black, then you know that it is a positive. So all I did was pull this out. Takes about 2 seconds, and then wire it back here. Boom, 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 and that's where you got these right here. Other than that, I think it took about 5 minutes to do these. That's it. Like 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes each side. Same on this side. I already had this right here. This is why it kind of looks it's a little tackier. But I always had this light because it goes through here. You can see that the wire, and then it comes right here, all the way up, and then to this one right here. But yeah, it looks pretty clean in my opinion. The blue courtesy lights. You really won't be able to tell the seal. You really can't see the strip unless you really look inside the trunk. But from like right here, obviously you can see it. But stick them under the thing. And then also, like let's say for instance that you need to work on your car or whatever, where you're gonna take the battery out. You really don't need any other light because you have this light also, and you have the blue lights that go. It's pretty much glowing up under here the whole way. I know I got my flashlight on. But it's still a pretty decent amount of light. Like you don't need any other light but these blue lights. Yeah, man, let me know what y'all think, bro. This is how it looks. For real, I'm giving y'all a lot of good content as usual. I'm not like everyone else who putting out a video every day. I don't see how people do that. But I mean, it might get to a point like that. But other than that, make sure y'all go like, subscribe to the channel. It's your brother Mike.
Some just come to take up the air that we breathe. Some come just to take up the space that we need. Their spiritual levels, they coming on shapes in the suns, there's several. We got the power to tread on the serpents, and we got the power to cast down these devils. This Bible, my mission, these scripts, ammunition to dodge the traditions, seditions, and